Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Rails token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Rails is a blockchain platform designed specifically for banks and financial institutions, aiming to bridge traditional finance, TradeFi with decentralized finance, DeFi, by enabling compliant private assets, tokenization, and settlements. Purpose built for institutions. It solves core barriers like privacy, compliance, and scalability to onboard trillions in DeFi liquidity, TradeFi liquidity. Hybrid public-private architecture combines private permission nodes for banks with an Ethereum-compatible public chain for DeFi connectivity. Deflationary utility token. The fixed supply RLC token is used for staking, governance, and paying fees, with 50% all fees permanently burned. Rails project introduced ending is 3.9. Rails token total supplies 9.98 billion and circulating supplies around 1.5 billion. RLS token. RLS token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Binance Alpha, Bitget, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you in this project, up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.